I left everything I knew behind to move to the UK with my family, but what happened after I landed wasn't what I expected. If you want to know the outcome of my visit, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have you ever dreamed of leaving everything behind to start a new life in another country? Well, that's exactly what I did. So, in here, I have packed my children buses in the process of packing their clothes. So, I am done with one. So, I just went ahead to keep his sandals there. And then this is for the other one. Also packed and arranged. So, guys, keep watching. This is a sentence as well. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm going to be doing series on this journey. So if you don't want to miss anything out, please watch it. Keep watching, share this video, subscribe, and like. So just go ahead to zip up the boxes I have already arranged. So let me know in the comment section if you have ever traveled with toddlers. How was it? How was your journey when you were relocating? So these are the buses, mine and the children. My husband will not be coming with us for now. So guys, watch out for the other videos.